able to get it out, y'all.
All right, y'all, this is Walt making things happen, and we are making things happen. Well, I think we got this thing going. We're going to go ahead and try it out. Take it there and hit it here and...
That is loud.
That's called building a motor, y'all. Once again, get up off that couch and do something. I didn't know anything before I started watching YouTube videos. If I can do it, you can do it too. Y'all have a great day. We're going to figure out what to do with this thing. The big boat anchor. High compression.